So I'm going to show you how to do this effect onto your text. If I go to Inspect Tool and I select this text, it's not really easily accessible to grab. So that's why I grab to this little guy right here. And once I find him, I can go up until I find the object I'm looking at. Just a couple things on this. You'll notice the top and bottom is way past the top and bottom of the word. And I'll address that in our code in a second. The second thing is to identify this object, you can go to the data model ID and grab this number. And then you put that number right down here. But if you don't want to do that dance, you can go into this code, and every single object has an accessibility tag. We're going to use it temporarily so that you can use your accessibility tag the way for accessibility. This one has the word pride as the alternative text, and I go down here and I just type in pride right there. And then when I preview this slide in console, my function tells you the model ID, so you don't need to do that now. And then you can go over here, and I'll explain the code. It's pretty simple. It took a while to develop, but once it's written, it's pretty simple. This section identifies that that div that we're working on. It's looking for the data model ID and finds it, and then you can apply the text. The X's are for if you want to do left and right rather than up and down. Then you could do something like that. Why this is 22 and this is 82 is because when I was showing you that blue box around it was above and below, so I painstakingly try to find the right percentage for the bands to be right here and here, and then the bands are being applied from here to here using this logic right here. So these are bands. So you'll see that this is the first color, and then this is the second color, third color, etc., etc. So that's how you do it. And I divided. I brought out my calculator and said 100 divided by 6, and I got these 6 different percentages. So that applies the first band through the 6th band, from here to here, in about even way. And that's pretty much it. This makes it so it's on top of everything else, and this is how you call it. And that's all you need to do. But if you don't need to worry about accessibility, and this is the code that I used, so it varies just slightly differently. These steps right here is looking for the accessibility text instead, and then it should work. So right here, it's looking for the accessibility text of pride, and then applies it to that that right there. And that's how you do it.